In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Google Docs, a powerful tool for document creation and collaboration. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Docs. You'll need to log into your Google account, so have your credentials ready. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Google Docs homepage. You can either start a new document by clicking on the blank page icon titled blank, or if you already have a document that's been shared with you or that you've created previously, simply select it from your list of documents. One of the great features of Google Docs is the automatic saving. Every edit you make is saved instantly, which means you can focus on your content without worrying about losing your work. However, if you need to save different versions or want to play it extra safe, there are options for you. To create a separate version of your document, click on File in the upper left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Make a Copy. This allows you to create a duplicate of your document, which you can then rename. A window will pop up asking for the new name of the copy and where you would like to save it in your Google Drive. Simply rename it utilizing a system that makes sense for you, perhaps something that includes a version number or date. Then choose the appropriate folder in your Google Drive to save it. After you've made your selections, click Select to finalize where it will be stored. Then confirm by clicking Make a Copy. Your new document is now safely stashed away in your drive, ready for additional edits or as a backup to your original work. Now, if you want to keep a local backup or want to work offline, you can download your document to your computer. Head back to the File menu and scroll down to Download. From here, you'll see several options for file formats. Choose the one that best suits your needs, whether it's Microsoft Word format to ensure compatibility with people using different platforms or a PDF to maintain formatting. You have multiple options to choose from. For various professional scenarios, downloading as a .docx file is generally recommended as it's widely accepted and versatile. You can also opt for a PDF if you're looking to share a file that keeps the exact layout intact. And there you have it. Managing documents in Google Docs is straightforward once you understand these basic operations. By using these features, you can ensure your work is organized, accessible, and easily shareable. Happy document editing and keep creating with confidence, knowing your work is always safe and secure with Google Docs.